Hello everyone. Today I am going to start the chapter mole concept and stoichiometry. In mole concept and stoichiometry, my first topic is gases law. First of all, what do you understand by the gases law? The laws which is represented by pressure, volume and temperature, that is called gaseous law. In order to understand these gases law, there are relationship between pressure, volume and temperature in which one variable remains constant. My first relationship, I'm going to explain pressure volume relationship and the laws. And the law which shows the pressure volume relationship is called Boyle's law. According to the Boyle's law, the volume of a certain amount of dry gas is inversely proportional to applied pressure. That means the product of pressure and volume remains constant. Whenever the proportionality sign is eliminated, one constant is to be introduced, that is called K. And what is called this K? This K is called Boyle's constant. Boyle's constant. Clear? With the help of graph, we can also prove that this relationship is true. How? This equation can be written as volume is equals to K upon P. Clear? Whenever the volume is increased, that means pressure is decreased. When the volume is at highest point and the pressure would be at lowest point, means when we plot the graph between volume and pressure, when the volume is increasing, then the pressure is decreasing, means clear. This relationship proves that the volume is increasing while decreasing the pressure. But when we plot the graph between volume axis and 1 upon pressure axis, so we got a straight line which passes through the origin. With the help of these two graphs, we can prove this statement is true, and that shows Boyle's law, means pressure volume relationship. Clear? Now, the next condition is, suppose that two gases are filled in a different container having pressure P1, V1. Clear? For gas first, for gas first. But for gas second, for gas second, the pressure is P2 and volume is V2. According to the condition of Boyle's law, the product of pressure and volume remains constant. According to the for gas first means P1 V1 equals to constant. Similarly, for gas second P2 V2 is equals to constant. But both the constant remain same. That means we can compare P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. With the help of this relationship, we can solve the numerical problems. Now, the next relationship, volume and temperature relationship. And the laws which shows the relationship between volume and temperature, that is called Charles' law. According to the Charles' law, the volume of a limited amount of gas, a volume of a certain amount of dry gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature. What is absolute temperature? Absolute temperature which is measured in a Kelvin scale, that is called absolute temperature. Clear? That means when we have eliminated the proportionality sign, that means V is equals to K into T. Clear? Here K is a Charles constant. Charles constant. Clear? Means the ratio of volume and absolute temperature remains constant. Clear? With the help of graph, when we plot the graph between the volume and temperature, this is the y-axis and This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. When we plot the relationship between volume and temperature, listen, with the help of relationship, when the volume is increasing, temperature is also increasing. Clear? That means we got a straight line which passes through origin. When the volume is increasing, temperature is also increasing with respect to the volume. Clear? When the volume is further increasing, then the temperature is also increasing. Clear? That means the relationship which is represented by volume and temperature, that is called Charles law. According to the Charles law, the volume of a limited amount of dry gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature. When the temperature is given in the degree Celsius, then you have to convert it into Kelvin. How? T is equals to T degree Celsius plus 273 degree. Means whenever the temperature is given in degree Celsius, then you have to convert it into Kelvin by adding 273. In the same condition, suppose that two gases are given having volume V1 and temperature T1 for gas first. Clear? And V2 and T2 for gas second. Clear? That means for gas first means V1 upon T1, the ratio of V1 upon T1 is equals to constant. Similarly, for gas second, V2 and T2, which is equals to constant, but both the constant are same. That means V1 upon T1 is equals to V2 upon T2. This relationship was also shown Charles relationship. With the help of this relationship, we can solve the numericals. Now the next and very important relationship, ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. First of all, what is called ideal gas? Ideal gas are those gas which follows Boyle's law and Charles law under all circumstances. That is called ideal gas. According to the ideal gas, it follows Boyle's law and Charles law under all circumstances, means all the conditions of temperature and pressure. That is called ideal gas equation. Then how we find the ideal gas equation? With the help of Boyle's law and Charles law. According to the Boyle's law, listen, according to the Boyle's law, volume is inversely proportional to pressure, means PV is equals to constant. This is the equation first. According to the Charles law, volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature, means volume upon temperature is equals to constant. That is second equation. When we combine these two equations with respect to the constant, then in both the condition volume is directly proportional to the constant. That means P, V and T. When we combine these two equations with respect to the constant, that we find pressure, volume and temperature, and this relationship introduce a new constant, that is R, and R is equals to universal gas constant. Universal gas constant. That means PV is equals to RT. PV is equals to RT. It is valid for 1 mole of gas. But suppose that the volume, the mole of gas is N. For N mole of gas, so the PV is equals to nRT. Means suppose that for 1 mole of gas, PV is equals to RT. For 2 mole of gas, PV is equal to 2RT. For 3 mole of gas, PV is equals to 3RT. For n number of moles, means PV is equals to nRT. What is P? Applied pressure. V, volume. N, number of moles of gas. R, universal gas constant. This value never be changed. And T is absolute temperature, which is measured in Kelvin scale. Clear? Means listen, PV upon T is equals to constant. This is a very important relationship. For ideal gas, this value never be changed, means when the two gases are filled in a same container having pressure P1, V1 and T1. Means two gases are filled in the same container having pressure P1, V1 volume and T1 temperature. This condition is for gas first. Similarly, for gas second, P2, V2 and T2. Means for gas second, pressure is P2, volume is V2 and temperature is T2 for gas second. Clear? According to the ideal gas, when these two gases form an ideal gas, then for gas first, P1 V1 upon T1 is equals to constant. For gas first, for gas second, P2 V2 upon T2 is equals to constant for gas second. Clear? Now we can compare these two relationship. Now we got the formula P1 V1 upon T1 equals to P2 V2 upon T2. Clear? We get the relationship between pressure, volume and temperature of two different gases. Clear? This is the ideal gas equation. With the help of these equation, we solve the numericals. Listen, the next topic is STP. What do you mean by the STP? STP stands for standard temperature and pressure. How we use a standard temperature pressure in this mole concept. Standard temperature pressure according to the change of volume. Change of volume in a gas is remarkably changed, means very slightly changed. Due to the change of volume, we have to choose the standard value of temperature and pressure. According to the standard value of temperature and pressure, when we talk about the standard temperature always taken in a Kelvin scale. That means standard temperature is 273 Kelvin. Clear? When we talk about the standard pressure is always measured with respect to the mercury scale. Means 760 mm of mercury. Either we use the numerical value or 76 centimeter of mercury. This is a standard value of pressure. But the standard value of volume the standard value of volume is 22.4 liter, either 22.4 liter of gas or 22,400 ml gas. Why? Because 1 mole of any gas which occupies either 22.4 liter gas or 22,400 ml volume of gas.